Holden Commodore. Out here beyond civilization, it survives easily. It was designed and built to, so that in the city it would be almost indestructible. But we did more than simply engineer Commodore to outlast other cars. We gave it generous family space, with seats carefully designed for relaxed long-distance touring, body and suspension computer-tuned for quiet travel. For the driver, Commodore offers unique standards of drivability and handling, plus a host of equipment choices. 2 6-cylinder engines, 2 V8s, power steering, central locking, cruise control, trip computer, and much more. Before you choose your next new car, look into Commodore. It has everything you need.